Okay, so we're in the car now, off to Garage Bavarian to pick up the last of the bits, touch wood, for the E46. The adjustable rear camber arms have arrived. They're behind me in the old unit there. Rich has got the rest of the bits arrive, so yeah, I'm going to head off to Frome now, go see Jake at Garage Bavarian, just because tomorrow Rich needs to finish the car off and have it off the ramp Saturday. So yeah, let's go and do that. We'll have a little road trip. So, oh, hello. Do love an E36. I'm guessing I'm in the right place. Pull up behind this bad boy. Right now, we'll have a look. Right, so yes, we just met Jake. Very nice chap, lovely couple of guys in there, some interesting bits in there. I'm going to spend a bit more time with him, hopefully next week maybe, and just have a real close look at what he does and what he's got. But I've just picked up the bushes, so I've got the gear linkage bushes ready to take back to Rich now. So we're going to travel warp speed within the regulations, of course, and yeah, get these back to Rich so that we can assemble everything, or collate everything even, and then get on the car. Right, so we're back now. We've got the bushes in the car. I'm going to drop those round to Rich's in a second, but these arrived earlier, so I'm going to have a look at those. These should be, and I haven't opened the box yet, the adjustable camber arms for the E46. So let's see if we can get in here. I'm hoping these are exactly what I've ordered. You never know. It's looking good so far. Side. Yes, it definitely is. It definitely is. Nicely bubble wrap that. There's the end. There we go. So these are our max speed rear adjustable camber arms, if that isn't upside down, for the E46. So great stuff. Let's just check there's two in there before I get excited and run them around to Rich's. Definitely. Two. Result. Right, yes, so that with the bushes, I'm going to flip around to Rich's now then, so we can get on and, dare I say it, get to the next step with this car. Anyway, we'll see you in a minute. Right, that is it. We are done for the day, done as much as we can do. Rich has got the camber arms now, he's got the gear linkage bushes, he's got the backing plates, he's got the braided line for the Vanos, and a couple of other bits. So he's coming in especially on Saturday, bless him. So Rich, again, if you're watching, thank you very much. And yeah, I guess we'll update when we've got an update.